Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at this mic stand. So a company set this out for review and I wanted to make use of it long term as I already have one here on my desk, so I went looking around on YouTube and I got this idea to turn it into a DIY overhead rig. So first I'll go through the features of this thing, then we'll get into transforming it into an easy overhead setup. Opening the box, it comes with two foam covers to go over the mic, one red, one black, an adapter to attach the mic, an adapter to attach a tablet with this bendable arm, carrying bag, and the stand itself. Right here I've got one of those generic sub $30 mics, so I'll just go through the process of setting it all up as it's really easy. All in all, it does what it's supposed to do. It's made of plastic, so it's very light, but that also means adding anything up substantial weight causes it to tip over. Yet, that still didn't stop me from wanting to save a quick buck, so here's how I turned it into an easy overhead rig. At the end here, there's this plastic piece that stops the mic adapter from screwing on all the way. I just took that piece off and attached a spare ball head tripod I had lying around. When sliding in my Canon T3i, I immediately noticed the stand was tipping over, which is what I expected. I mean, it does weigh 1.3 pounds, so I simply added a counterweight on the opposite side. And here are some test shots I took with the overhead rig. Okay, do I think the mic stand itself is worth $37? No. There's 10 of other options out there, like this Amazon Basics one for less than $20, but I wasn't able to find one that included the same number of accessories as this one. I was able to find one that doubled also as a tablet stand like this one, but it didn't include a carrying bag. But if you're using this at home, you probably won't need it. Anyways, I can't wait to use this in a future video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in a comment down below. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to see more content. Thanks for watching.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.